Hey YouTube, welcome back. It's Raw Danger, and we are bringing you the Skin Stapler. It's a game that piqued my interest off of Tachi.io. I'll have the link down below in the description. I've also got another game from the creator of this that we're going to play up on the channel here at a different spot in this. But this is Carrion City from the creator of Suffer the Night, Terror at Oakheart, Massacre at the Mirage, and Flesh Made Fear. That's the one we're going to be playing up on the channel at some point. Tainted Pact Games invite you into a grimy, neon-lit nightmare with the Skin Stapler. Step into a decaying 1980s city where crime festers, morals rot, and a serial killer stalks the shadows of alleyways, blending grindhouse slasher horror with dark humor and investigative storytelling. So let's hop on in. I'm super duper duper pumped for this one. I do like the art style. Definitely looks good.
Journal log, February 23rd, 1984. Carrion City. Another night of rot simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways. The streets are soaked in junky sweat and bad decisions. Every corner consumed with vermin and vice. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall? And now, we got some freak carving his way through the city. Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets whisper of fear and cover-ups. Me, I just whisper. Tuesday. This city's drowning in misery. With everything else for sale, murder was just waiting for its turn. Who am I? The name's Dick. Detective Dick Slater. And I'm the only one keeping the filth from spilling over and drowning this city in its own sin.
Slater, come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
Hell yeah, we look like a badass.
What do you want?
He's looking for you. Get down to the station.
Fine. Tell him I'm on my way.
Dick Slater here. And I don't need no bitch to tell me what to do. Carrion City Police Department. I guess that's how you say it.
Good old Carrion City PD. Its halls smell of stale coffee and disappointment.
My life.
Let's see what the chief wants this time.
Okay. Now we're moving. Now we're getting somewhere. Holy shit, the sensitivity. That's a little better. It's still kind of fast. Let me lower my DPI a little bit. Yo, that. Okay, so okay, we're learning.
Hello, Luna.
Oh,
I see
Luna!
They still have you babysitting the front desk.
You're late again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
And yet, here we are.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Lucky me.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
Huh. At least the voice acting is better in this. Oh, how did she buzz me? Oh, very dark looking on my. Now that's too much, kinda. Yeah, that's better. Who the fuck are you?
Well, look who crawled out of his trench coat. You miss me, Slater?
Not even a little.
Shame. I've got a real thing for men who look like they got nothing left to lose.
Then aim lower.
Your loss. Plenty on me at an station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
I'm sure you'll get your claws into him sooner or later.
Hopefully sooner than later. If you talk to him, put in a good word for me, yeah?
I'm not
What are
your
you, horny
wingman.
bitch?
Get help, Roxy.
Huh.
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
If you wanted
Well,
punctual, you should have hired a watch. Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox. Transfer from Rotwood.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the Full Mooner Gooner case back in '79 was legendary.
full mooner gooner. Get the fuck out of
Yeah.
here.
City was edging on total collapse back then. But I put down that freak. For good.
You saved the city.
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable. Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
Excuse me?
Knox is your new partner.
What? You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien. You know I work alone. I can't be wasting time babysitting some new transfer. O'Brien,
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls. That's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
Roger that, Chief.
Listen, Dick. The mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler that I feel like I'm in a Diesel Cox film.
you're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's an order.
Aye, aye, Captain. Mhm.
You're still chasing ghosts, Slater?
Someone has to.
Yeah, just don't expect me to keep up anymore. I've got a foot in the grave.
It could be worse. Most cops in Carrion City never make it to retirement.
Retirement? With how corrupt this city is? Ugh, I wouldn't be surprised if they kept me on my beat until I kill over in the streets.
A fate we both share, I'm afraid.
It's not too late for you, Dick. But me? Well, I'm getting too old for this shit.
Agreed. I literally quote that at least once a day at work. Really like the atmosphere and shit of this. The voice acting's honestly better than I thought it would be.
Detective Slater.
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Okay.
Rule 2. If things go bad, you stay behind me.
Got it.
Break either rule, I leave you at the curb.
Understood.
Understood. Duh. My man's got a lead foot. Absolutely got a gunner on there. The quick fix, eh? Detective Dick Slater here. Give me the fresh wiener.
Another beautiful night in Carrion City. And I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices. But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the best. Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust. I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
Oh shit, I'm someone else now. Hello? Thank you for calling
Your fix
Glizzy's.
at the quick fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you? Hey, boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic. What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
Oh, God.
That man's taking a massive shit. Massive shit.
Calling me on the shitter? Again? Disgusting! Alright, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap. Is it out back here? Does this place ever actually fix anything? Ah, jeez. You scared the crap out of me, man. What? Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude.
Oh, I love jokes. Especially the ones with a killer punchline.
Cool. Great talk. You need something, or...
Yeah, just to kill me.
My, I do have an appetite.
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
Oh, hell
Just
no.
another night with another creep. I hate this city.
That motherfucker was creepy. Take the box of meat, mystery meat to the wiener grinder. Are you the wiener grinder? Where the fuck? Fuck do I take it? This looks like a dick grinder. I don't think it's in here, but we'll check. I don't see a wiener grinder. I'm tired of hearing the fucking flies. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's so gross sounding. It's like taking a fat deuce. Get your box of wieners here. Fuck, do I get a toast? Let me get a nice long one and make it snappy. Okay. Fuck, do I toast the bun? Fuck, do I? Long says. Jesus. How the fuck do I? How to make a juicy, long, quick fix wiener. Add toasted bun. How the fuck do I toast the bun? I don't know if I'm doing this right. This is like the most confusing shit. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. That's how you toast a bun. Why didn't you guys tell me? Where'd the cooked wiener go? Oh my god. Buddy, you're gonna be waiting a while. Oh, hell no. But I should call her, but hell no. Was that good, dog? You like... What the fuck is this game? This is definitely funny. You need a finished hot dog. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. What's that noise?
Wiener is ready.
God damn it. These noises, dude. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. Oh man, this motherfucker's gonna kill me.
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment? Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here. Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners? Well, I do do love a nice piece of flesh, but I am in the mood for something a little more unique. Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want? It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples? Why do you need staples this late at night? Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project. Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet.
Ah, perfect.
I'll be seeing you again real soon.
I just don't trust this man. Where did he go? You want a Glizzy Gobbler 3000? What up, baby girl? I like the drip, G. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready.
Wiener is ready.
Damn, that tongue game, girl. You know what I'm saying, girl? Like, you just hide in the back real quick for a minute. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'll give you the quick fix if you know what I mean. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. Give me a meaty, juicy one. I got you, brother. You're kind of the most normal looking customer we've had. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. I don't know why it's like a Russian clock. The noises, dude. No. Okay, she's still there. Now you might be the most normal looking person we've had in here.
Hey, Hexy.
Hey, a shrimp queen.
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
We are both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon. How much I owe ya?
Oh, he's back there.
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-athetic tonight.
Oh, you should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy. I'll see you later.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Oh, God. Yo, you leave my shrimp queen alone. I'll fuck you up. I'll put you in the meat grinder, motherfucker. Why is he just...
Shit, dude! What the hell is your problem?
It seems you're all out of staples.
I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you.
Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here.
What?
I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend.
Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever.
By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
He's gonna kill me when I go in there. Motherfucker's gonna stab me or something.
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter. Just what I need.
It's not how you unclog a toilet, but hell yeah, brother.
This stupid thing isn't working. What the? What is that sound?
Did I die? What? This is a long demo. I'm about it though. Oh shit.
Break's pretty much over. I better head inside and talk to Lucas.
I'm gonna kick the brightness up a little bit more. It's so hard for me to see, but I don't want it to be like overbearing for you guys. Bro, wake up!
Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect. Lucas!
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping, I was just resting my eyes.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
Let me nuke this cup of nudies. Here, maybe? Yeah.
I'll come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go. All right, Lucas, you can get out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose? After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Yeah.
Ugh. Wow, Lucas. Just wow.
Catch you later, Blair.
What a tool. Was that not what I investigate? Shit. Oh my god! Hell yeah, brother.
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder. I'd better head behind the counter and polish those balls. Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment this is, with an adorable little creature running it.
Creature? Do you want to purchase a lane, or am I gonna have to call the police?
I am here to purchase an experience.
Right. Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
So direct. I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
Thanks, I think.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
You mean like my work uniform?
Sure, let's call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either buy a lane or get out.
Ah, no need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6, thank you.
Okay.
total creep.
It's the same 2 fucking buttons over and over. Buddy? I do not like this. Is this really how they polish a bowling ball? No idea.
All right, time to clean the stinky shoes. Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
I feel like that's way too much. I don't know where he's at. I don't like it. I don't like a 1 bit. I need Dick Slater.
That should do it. Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling. Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of nudies real fast.
Yeah. I'm getting killed.
I'll eat this back at the register.
Poor Blair. She just wanted some cup of nudies, dude. What the?
What happened?
You're awake. You gotta listen to me.
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp.
You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Well, look who's awake. Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp? I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum. Hallucinations and paralysis, among other things.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
What? What do you mean?
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I strip it from your body. I am afraid It's the end of the line for you.
This is super fucked up.
Please don't.
Move. Oh. Oh. Oh, Blair. Just wanted some shrimp nudies, dude. Hmm. The noise, dude, is so grossing me out. Was that it? Oh, dude. I will definitely be wishlisting this. This was funny as shit. And seems like it'd be super duper good. I'm excited to really check out Flesh Made Fear. Now, Flesh Made Fear is totally opposite of this. It's horror again, which seems to be their bread and butter or their forte, but it's more of Resident Evil style, but like with this goofy aspect on it, their twist, which seems to kind of work for them, honestly. I don't know. I give it a 10 out of 10. Had pretty good voice acting. I like the art style. The killer was goofy, but also kind of like out there, like how a real like serial killer would be. I I don't really like that we jumped from character 1, 2, and 3 because character 2 was funny. Hexy, Blair, you just really got fucking destroyed at, and that's super duper fucked up. But we got Dick Slater. It seems like this really cool badass with a new partner, and we didn't get to play him. That's the one thing I think we should have a little bit more to do with him in the demo. But I give it a 9 out of 10, just for that reason. If you guys like this and you want to see me play the full release, let me know in the comment section below. Like I said, I'll have a link to this on your own. Until next time, we'll stop those gooners.